How to create a template. First, log in to your Kwic account. After logging in, go to Template and click on it. On the top right corner, you will find Create Template. Click on it, and your screen will look like this. Now, let's start creating a template. The first box is Name. Enter the template name. Make sure the name does not contain any special characters. Next, move to the Category box. Here, you need to choose a category. There are 3 types of categories. First is Marketing Template. Marketing templates are used to send business-related messages to customers, such as brand updates, service highlights, special announcements, and engagement messages. These templates help maintain consistent brand communication and allow you to reach customers at scale using approved formats. Marketing templates are further divided into 2 types. Custom, used to send simple promotional messages to reach more customers and keep them engaged. Carousel, used to display multiple images or cards in a single message that users can swipe easily. Second is Utility Template. Utility templates are pre-designed message formats used to send consistent, professional, and quick messages to multiple recipients. They help save time, ensure uniformity, and reduce errors when sending repetitive messages. You can create, edit, and reuse these templates whenever required. For example, custom utility templates are used to send messages about an existing order or account. Order status templates are used to inform customers about the progress of their orders. Third is Authentication Template. Authentication templates are used to send secure and time-sensitive information, such as OTPs, verification codes, or login confirmations. They help ensure secure access and prevent unauthorized usage. Next is the Language box. Click on it and select the required language. After that comes the Header section. The header is the top part of the message template and highlights the main subject of the message. It can contain text, images, videos, or document attachments. If you do not need a header, simply select None. If the header type is text, enter the text. The header must contain between 5 and 60 characters. If the header type is image, select the image file. The maximum image size allowed is 5 megabytes. If the header type is video, select the video file. The maximum video size allowed is 16 megabytes. If the header type is document, select the document file. The maximum document size allowed is 30 megabytes. Next is the body message section. Here, type the common message that will be sent to all customers. If you want to personalize the message for different customers, use the Customized Body Message option. Customized body messages allow you to use variables to personalize content. To add a variable, use double curly braces. For example, "Hello, name, your order has been confirmed." You can add multiple variables in the body message. For each variable, a body sample content box will appear automatically. This is where you enter sample values for preview and template approval. For example, "Hello, name, your order_ID, is ready." Sample values, name as Syed and order_ID as 12345. These sample values are only for preview. During actual message delivery, the system replaces them with real customer data. Next is the footer section. This is a short line of text that appears at the bottom of the message. After that, we have buttons. Buttons allow customers to respond or take action easily. There are different types of buttons. Quick Reply button allows users to reply instantly with one tap instead of typing. Only 2 quick reply buttons can be added. Call phone number button allows users to directly call a predefined phone number by tapping the button. Visit website button redirects users to a website or web page. Here, you must choose the website type. Static website opens the same URL for all users. And dynamic website opens a URL that changes based on user data. Copy offer code button allows users to copy an offer or coupon code with a single tap. Flow button text requires you to create a flow first and then enter the flow ID. Order detail button is used to display order-related details. And that's it. This is how you create a template in Kwic.